Alright, my peoples. So basically what we got going on is this is a very funky shaped thingy majigger. Who's and what's? How's you do's? What? Basically this is the rear box for the back door. It's a very odd shape in the back and the front. So I got it tacked together. It still needs to be squeezed together a little bit and filed down. I'm gonna get all the filing down now, and then I made this reference mark, and this is basically the beginning of that wheel arch. So I'm gonna trim this down, and then I'm gonna make a plate that kind of bends and then just forms with that the beginning of that wheel well, and it should tie in nicely. So it kind of sucks, to be honest, because that wheel well is not gonna like exist much longer once like the tube chassis is in. But as far as me just getting these boxes done, and then I'll figure that out once I have to radius it for the wheels to fit, to stick out and poke and whatever. But basically, yeah, gonna get to trimming and then cut this out, and we should be golden, my guy. Asha.
Like snort.
You guys ready for a freaking time lapse, dude? A little bit of beats, man. We got you the freaking beats, dude. Here we freaking go. Alright, big guy. Sun's going down. Anyways, I got this cleaned up partially. Not good enough! It still needs a lot more cleaning. I need to go acetone it, wipe it down.
Wax on, right hand, off, left hand.
Basically just get it all cleaned up and just a little bit more fine trimming. So basically, this right here, this piece, this little freaking goblin right here, I need to trim it up some more. So basically, I need to come in here and hold on, my camera's not focusing. Stupid thing. Anyway, so now I need to trim this down just a tad bit more, but you can see what I meant by just creating that line again into this like box section. So yeah, so created that line, created that curve. I don't know exactly where the wheel and tire is gonna sit. I may actually end up pushing it back just a tad. I made a reference mark of where the center of the axle was before I took it out, the 9-inch that was in here. So that's the reference mark. So like I said, the center point might get moved a tad bit back because I don't know how much the wheel and tire is going to protrude into the door here, like when I radius it. I need to still get the wheels and tires that I'm running. Until that happens, we won't know. But chassis first, box first, body work, all that. But it's not looking good. not too bad. And then of course, when it comes down to it, basically once I get the inside all good and like welded and everything, I will come back here to the outside, and then I'll get everything butted up nice and tight where it needs to be, and then I'll finally tack weld everything to the body, and then I'll get these lined up, make sure everything's level, and then I will weld this seam, so bottom to top and then inside and just all around basically. So there's gonna be a ton of welding on this one, and then I'll shave this down so it's all one piece. I didn't want to make it one piece from the get-go because it was going to be a lot of sheet metal to basically go from there to there. I think that would equate to like 7 feet, maybe my height, 6 foot something. But you get what I'm saying. So I had to split it in half, and I chose to split it right there at the door jamb basically. And like I said, this is gonna get filled and shaved down, so you're not even gonna notice this little like gap at all, and then it'll just look like one piece basically. But yeah, I'm a little out of breath. I was freaking working non-stop on this. Not too bad. Like I said, go back on the inside, work on the inside, get all that stuff squared away. I'm gonna probably redo that front plate on the inside that's up here somewhere, and then I will cut it out, make a new plate for that, make a cooler design. I don't know, it just looks weird to me for some reason. But yeah, so anyways, that's the front, that's the back. Good freaking deal, right?